That's why I said with SPY, same thing with SPY. You got a couple key critical areas right where it's sitting and right here. And then you can see here and here. See all these key critical and here. Here's the thing, right? This is the way you need to look at it. You see the overall trend. By the way, here comes your trend line. You ready? Top is point, which is here. Trend line goes through this one. This one dictates where it goes. Do you see it?
Yes, sir, I do.
Just like that. Bang. There's your movement. So the overall trend for SPY is a put or a short downside.
Yep.
With a small curl bounce off for 396.23. So to me, if I'm in a call, it's more dangerous than I'm in a put.
Yeah.
Because the trend is down.
Gotcha, boss. Thank you.
Got it. Doesn't mean it's not going to go up. 396.23 could have been the bottom, but we won't know until it forms a couple more candles to let us know where it wants to really go. Until it breaks up here, though, this 397.40, it is not a strong upside yet. And you'll see it down here on your Elliott will also change. So this will change. You got to break 397.40. Why? Because this was such a big critical area for it. You had it here, you had it here, and you had it here. Does everybody see it?
Yep.
So that's why that matters so much. And then if you guys are scalping it, if it can break 397.40, I can long it and have my stop just below it, which would be right in here.
And coach, you say that sometimes you don't pay attention to the wicks, but in this case, you're drawing it to the wick.
You always use a wick when you're doing support and resistance. Yep.
Okay. And when do you ignore? And when do you ignore the wicks?
When I'm trading.
When you're trading, okay.
Yeah, because the difference is, let's say I was trading in this channel. A lot of times this body bottom has more weight, or has weight, right, I should say, to go with the wick. But the wick is the actual end result. That's why, just like you saw me draw it out here, it touches the wick, not the body.
Gotcha.
Yep. So you can see it's trying to break our first level of resistance, 397.06, then 397.17, then 397.40, 52, 63. And remember, these could be off by a couple pennies because the stock is such a large number, right? Triple digit. If this was a penny stock, it would literally be to the exact cent. Oh, the bigger the stock, the more room you got to give it.
Use Apple and Tesla to inform on SPY?
I do. Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Apple. Yeah. Anytime I'm scalping or trading SPY,
yep,
I'll always have SPY here. Yep. And then Apple over here, because this will kind of give me an idea of market direction to help me to go with what's going to happen with SPY. So this is what my scalping would look like. I'd be in a 30-second here. I'd be in a 2-minute here. And then if I was trading options, it would be in here. So this is what my screen would look like, just like this. That's a scalp. And then as this comes back, right? So a lot of times, like if it's not following Apple, I'll pull out here like we did with you guys. And I'll make sure these key critical areas, I know where they are. So when I'm over here in my 30-second, I know when I'm going to run up against a wall already, right? So I already know, like when this comes up to 397.40 and I'm in a scalp, I better watch myself, right? And that's right here and here.